So I'm getting on with rebuilding the Tilley engine. I haven't been able to find so far a satisfactory gasket set for the engine, so I'm having to make my own gaskets, which means some of them are a bit unusual looking actually, but I'm sure once I've fitted everything and trimmed the gaskets down, it'll look just fine. Just putting a little smear of sealant on, a bit of blue sealant. This stuff doesn't harden, so just gives me a nice moist seal between the faces. Right, so hopefully this goes on like that. Yep. So I've got all the bearings in and all the castellated nuts have been fitted on the big ends and on the mains, and all of those little fiddly split pins have gone in as well. There's about 14 I think in total. So that was, you know, one of those tasks that just kind of got rid of an afternoon for me. There we go. That's roughly there. One timing cover gasket. So there's my sealing felt oiled up, so I can now place the front pulley on. If I can find where the keyway is, somewhere around here. There we are. These marks here are what's known as witness marks. They tell you in what position this was fitted before. I can tell that it went on like that. I'm just cleaning up this mating surface on the engine because it's important that we have a clean, dry and flat surface between the back plate and the rear of the engine. There is a gasket that fits onto here, but even that needs the best chance of sealing that it can possibly have. So that's my back plate gasket made up. So that'll fit on there nicely. Then the back plate should, which way does it go? Use the witness marks. Okay, like that. The back plate will go on like that, and the flywheel will go on. We'll put the sump on, then turn the engine the right way up, then we can put the cylinder head on, get all the other bits and bobs onto it, and then we can lift it up and lower it into the Tilley. Then the car will be complete once more.